This is a review of the Tao of Tea hand-rolled leaves jasmine pearls. And the reason why I bought this is I am on a quest to find the best jasmine, phoenix, or dragon pearl tea that I can find. And this one was amazingly fragrant. And it's really a loose leaf tea. So there's no sachets, involved there. So it is loose leaf. These state that they are hand rolled leaves, and it even has a little history, a little story about the hand rolling, and then the jasmine infusion into these. This tea has one of the more prominent fragrance of the jasmine. What's really neat about this one is that it has the directions for brewing on the back. Directions state to use about 1 teaspoon of green tea pearls to 8 ounces filtered or spring water. And it also states there that it provides up to 3 infusions.